What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you'd like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content and we appreciate the support. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a new free business trade line that you can use to build your business's credit profile. So for today's video, we're gonna be reviewing DBIE. Now, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's spelled DEBIE. So this is one of the latest platforms that allows businesses to report their rental or lease payments. So if you have a business that rents out a place, a commercial space, or even if you have a home address where you conduct business out of, you can report your monthly rental payments and build your business's credit. So those payments will then be reported to the business credit reporting agencies. So they have three different plans. One plan is absolutely free. So you can report up to 4 rent payments per year. There's no cost associated. Then they have the $19.99 package where it reports to Experian and LexisNexis. And then their premium package, which is $29.99, reports your business's rent payments to Experian, Equifax, Dun & Bradstreet, and LexisNexis. So it reports to 4 different reporting agencies instead of just 2 for the $19.99 package. But the DBIE platform is very unique and it solves a very important problem because most commercial landlords do not report their tenants' payment history to the business credit reporting agencies. So this right here is a game changer. Now, I know on the personal side, there's several different companies that do report your rent payments for like your residential address. But when it comes to your business being able to report rental or lease payments, there's no other platform out there that I can think of that is actually doing that. So DBIE, in my opinion, is a game changer. So let's go jump over to their website real quick and I'll walk through the process. So here we are on dbratings.com. So this is a no fee service to boost your business credit and you can start building credit immediately. They report to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, Experian, and LexisNexis, but that also depends on the package that you choose. I'll go over that in a second. The majority of landlords don't report rent payments to the credit bureaus, making each rent payment go to waste. So if you're spending all of this money on a commercial space or whatever space that you're using, but that information is not being reported, then it's not going to help you when it comes to building business credit. And the fact that you can now report these usually large rental payments, lease payments is going to be very beneficial to building business credit, right? If you're using a commercial space, you're probably spending, thousands of dollars every month. DBIE now allows you to be able to report those payments and you can build business credit at the same time. Now, rent payments can make up 10 to 15% of every business owner's monthly business expense. And these on-time rental payments do not benefit business owners' credit history. So DBIE is now allowing you to directly report your credit history for your business's rental payments without relying on your landlord. So they don't even need your landlord to be part of this particular process. I'll walk through exactly what they need in order to start reporting your rental payments. So they offer 3 plans. As I mentioned, the first plan, which is the basic $0 per month, you can report 4 rent payments per year and they report to Experian and LexisNexis. Next up, they have the bump package, which is $19 per month. You can report 12 rent payments per year and it reports to Experian and LexisNexis. So the difference between the bump and the basic, with the bump, you can report 12 rent payments in a year. With basic, it's just 4. And so basically for 8 additional rent payments, you're paying $19, which is not bad at all. And then you have the boost. So the boost not only reports to Experian and LexisNexis, but it also reports to D&B and Equifax. And I know that has a lot of value because there's not that many business vendors or business trade lines that report to Equifax. So they're giving you D&B and Equifax, which is going to be beneficial. So it's building history with the majority of the business credit reporting agencies. And the boost package is just $29 per month. Here they have a frequently asked questions portion, and you can go through this. I'm not going to go through all of these different questions, but if you do have any questions about this platform, you can go here and it'll give you all the information that you need, any questions you might have. And Now, to sign up, all you have to do is hit this Start Building Credit button. You just enter your first name, last name, legal business name, trade name, and email, and then hit this Next. And right here it says your score can increase by over 50 points in 4 to 6 months. All right, so on the next page, you're just entering your business address, zip code, and your EIN, which is optional, but if you do know it, I would enter it in there and then just hit the next button. They ask you, does your business have a lease at this address? So you're going to click yes, and then you just enter in the lease start date, the monthly lease amount, and if you do have a property manager's name and phone number, you can enter that as well. All right, so on this page, they're doing verification. So to report accurate data to the credit bureaus and boost your score, DB needs to verify your payment history. So you can connect either through QuickBooks or through your bank. And so what they use is, machine learning algorithms to analyze either your QuickBooks or your business bank account and look for your rent payment. So you're going to need to show some type of transaction where you're making your rent payment. So they can automatically detect that information. And so they're just using that to verify. So after they verify that, then you're good to go. In order for them to report, they do need to verify that you have been making some type of rent payments for your business. All right, so just to recap, DB allows you to report your business's rent or lease payments to the major business credit reporting agencies. They do have a free package that does not cost anything. You can report up to 4 rent payments per year, and it reports to Experian and LexisNexis. Their premium package reports to Experian, LexisNexis, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. That's $29 per month. Another thing I wanted to add is that DB also allows you to report backdated history. So they'll go as far back as 24 months and report your business's rent or lease payments to the major business credit reporting agencies and help you build business credit. So if anyone's interested in applying, there's a link in the description. So definitely check it out. Until next time, y'all take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.